Hello बच्चों, let's see the question and the question says that given that sin x is equal to minus 3 by 5, cos y is equal to minus 5 by 13 and x is in the same quadrant as y, evaluate without using tables cos x upon 2. Okay, so key concept for this question is sin theta is equal to plus minus under root 1 minus cos square theta, and cos theta is equal to plus minus under root 1 minus sin square theta, and cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square x theta minus 1. Okay, so these are the key concept for this question. So given that what we have given, that is sin x is equal to minus 3 by 5 and cos y is equal to minus 5 by 13. Okay, and x and y both lies in a same quadrant. दोनों किस में कर रहे हैं? सेम क्वाड्रेंट में कर रहे हैं, मतलब x and y lies थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट. दोनों का सेम साइन किस में होता है? थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट में होता है. ओके, सो दिस बी थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट. Okay, now we have to find cos theta. Okay, so cos theta is equal to cos x. Basically we have to find here cos x because we have to find here value of cos x by 2. Now we have to find value of cos x because we have to find value of cos x by 2. So here a root of plus minus कितना होगा? 1 minus sin square theta. So that will be here sin x is 3 by minus 3 by 5. So that will be 9 upon 25. Implies that plus minus a root of 16 upon 25 and is equal to plus minus, implies that we have here that is plus minus 4 by 5. So x and y and lies are in a same quadrant. So here cos x is equal to minus 4 by 5. So same here we have to find now cos square x, and here we have here cos x is equal to minus 4 by 5. Okay, now we know that from here we know that cos x को हम क्या लिख सकते हैं? 2 cos square, 2x की जगह पे x है तो यहाँ पे कितना हो जाएगा? x by 2. So that will be x by 2 and minus 1 is equal to minus 4 by 5. So from here we can write cos square x by 2 is equal to, here is a 2, minus 4 by 5 plus 1. So is equal to, that is 1 by 5 after taking LCM, and that is 2 cos square x by 2, and that is 2 cos square x by 2. So we have here cos square x by 2 is equal to 1 by 10. ये 2 कहाँ चला जाएगा? मल्टीप्लाई में 5 के साथ. So we have here, after solving this equation, then we have cos square. So cos x by 2 is equal to plus minus root of 1 upon 10. So here x lie in a third quadrant because x and y के सेम क्या है? हम आपके पास सेम साइन है. So x by 2 lies in a second quadrant, and we know that cos theta second quadrant में क्या होता है? नेगेटिव होता है. cos theta second quadrant में क्या होता है? second quadrant में negative cos x by 2 क्या होता है? cos theta आपका सेकेंड क्वाड्रेंट में नेगेटिव होता है. सो यहाँ पे x by 2 सेकेंड क्वाड्रेंट में लाई कर रहा है तो cos x by 2 की वैल्यू कितनी होगी? माइनस अंडर रूट 1 अपॉन 10. So this will be answer. So I hope you all understood this explanation. Thank you and all the best.